So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add page numbers to your design here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So once Canva is opened up, the first thing you have to do is to go to the left hand side of your screen and press on the text icon right here to open up this. Now once you're on the text page, just scroll down to where it says dynamic text right here and then press on page numbers. So by default, it actually doesn't have page numbers at the bottom right of your page, but if you go ahead and press on page numbers right here, the number one is added, as you can tell. If you were to add another page, number two is added, number three is added, etc. If you want to delete it, you can simply just go ahead and press delete. And it's up to you guys. So super duper simple, super straightforward, but that is how to add and I guess how to remove page numbers. So once again, if you wanted to remove page numbers from everything, you can go to press on the page number, go to edit right here, press on to remove all page numbers just like that. Now as you can tell, there's no page numbers whatsoever. But yeah, that's how you guys can add and remove page numbers here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.